Okay, so here we are. It's the 17th of December 2021, and we're starting to pull the siding off of the tiny house because we've got to get rid of some of the rotten OSB, and we want to have that done in one go. So we're starting to pull this off. This is Micah. Hi, Micah. And of course, Jim, what are we finding here? Oh boy.
Look at the moisture. That's just liquid water along the side all the way down, and we just pulled this off. This is why rain screen is so important. And you look at the fact, as Micah just said, and this is only 3 years old. Look at the rust. Look at the condition of the nails, that they're just rusting through, which that's a direct pathway, especially if you get a ½ inch of water behind here.
Half inch of water column.
Then you're going to get 35-mile-an-hour wind force, basically the same pressure differential that's pushing that water right into this cavity and causing it to rot.
And what I'm also noticing is that they didn't prime these before they put them up.
They didn't back prime them. They didn't. But you know, well, you got to let the mold grow though. So you don't back.
Yeah, you can see mold on the siding, on the paper.
And to be clear, that's not the Tyvec that's molding.
No.
It's like this is the petri dish. Yeah. And the media then is going to be the actual cedar.
Yeah. There's no organic material in Tyvec to be food for.
But it makes a nice receding surface for the mold to grow.
It does.
And that's what we're seeing here. So we're thinking that a lot of the siding isn't really
reusable. So don't go through the pain of punching it through.
No, it's just and to see that this amount of this is a tiny house. Yeah. But this amount of building material to go this bad this quickly is atrocious, and this is not one-off. This is happening in even regular houses when this same building science method is being followed.
Not having the rain screen. Yeah. And not back priming. I mean that's going to cause issues as well.
Look at this. That's growing through. That's the OSB from behind. But also you can see at the joints, they didn't put anything in here. So when we do any of our siding jobs, we'll have a rain screen, but we'll also put flashing in between butt joints. Right. So that it has a place to flash it down as a watershed. So.
And this is a part of the wall that is not compromised inside. The majority of the wall didn't seem compromised. Let me put, there we go. There you go. Right next to the window. Got our mustaches on. There you go. Disgusting.
It is. And to find that much liquid water behind there was really disconcerting, but surprising at the same time. You would not think they would just be sitting back there. So a lot of people, what they'll get, like with vinyl siding, when the same principle happens, you get that water trap, they'll start getting tea stained streaking down their colored siding, and they're wondering, where is that coming from? That's coming from the tannins that are inside the OSB that are coming through the puncture holes in your building wrap, if it's even there. And it's leaving the mark. So it's an indicator. Tea staining is an indicator. Read the tea leaves or the tea stains. There's an indicator of something going on behind the scenes that you need to fix.
So what's really amazing to me right now is that it rained here, but it rained 2 days ago. So this is after 2 days of drying, and we've had a high wind event, which means that you don't get better drying potential. So this is horrible.
I mean, if you stand here, Chris, the shimmering water droplets, you can really see it on that Tyvec from the sunlight. And keep in mind, this is not early in the morning, everybody.
No,
this is afternoon. On a relatively warm day for winter. So
it's 40 degrees.
It's above freezing for sure.
Quite a bit above freezing.
I do like the wheat pole where it's growing mold. Moss. That's wonderful.
Yeah, I'm really scared about what we're going to see when we get behind here, because this is one of the main infiltration issues. They did not flash this window right.
Reappointment of the tiny house, we're finding more of a gut retrofit situation, and hopefully not a complete rebuild. We're thinking gut retrofit now.
Yeah, the rest of the studs inside and all that look structurally okay. So I think we're okay there.
Except for the base plates, of course.
Right.